Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Colin, and today I will be showing you how to use disk cleanup as an administrator. Now, first thing to note, if you don't have administrative privileges, you're going to have some issues because we're going to be running it as an administrator. This means there's going to be more features that you can check to clean up your system. But enough of that, let's just jump right in.
Start window, Cortana window, search box, K, disk cleanup, desktop app, press right.
So what I did was I just went to the start menu and typed in disk. If you want to do it another way, you can, but this is the way I do it. So now we're going to right click or application key on disk cleanup and say run as administrator.
Run as administrator 1 form. Disk cleanup, drive selection dialog, select the drive you want to clean up, OK button.
So by default it's set to Windows.
Exit button up, OK drives, combo box Windows, C, collapsed Alt plus.
And that's the drive we're going to focus on.
OK button.
So we're going to say OK.
Desktop list, disk cleanup dialog calculating, DirectX shader cache scanning, cancel but 28%, 52%, 68%, 80%. Disk cleanup for Windows, C, dialog. Disk cleanup property page. You can use disk cleanup to free up to 1.85 gigabytes of disk space on Windows, C. Total amount.
Okay, so it says I can free up to 1.8 gigs on the hard drive. Probably mostly in my recycle bin, but alright, let's see. So it's safe just to check pretty much all these boxes. It usually won't hurt anything, and you can get away with it and get more space out of your system. Now, running this as an administrator also allows you to do Windows updates cleanup. So the stuff that it downloads, you can get rid of that so that you can free up more storage space along with old Windows installations. Now, there's also another kind of disclaimer. If you remove the Windows installation files, you won't be able to restore back to an older version of Windows. So just be careful. If you just upgraded Windows, I wouldn't recommend checking the Windows installation files area. So let's just go ahead and see what's all checked, and we'll continue.
Windows Update Cleanup checkbox selected, checked 1. Windows Defender Antivirus checkbox selected, checked 2. Windows Upgrade Log Files checkbox selected, checked 90. Downloaded Program Files checkbox selected, checked 0 bytes. Temporary Internet Files checkbox selected, checked 400. System Created Windows Error Reporting Files checkbox selected, checked 20. DirectX Shader Cache checkbox selected, checked 0 byte. Delivery Optimization Files checkbox selected, checked 1. Device Driver Packages checkbox selected, checked 0 byte. Downloads checkbox selected, checked 1.69 megabytes. Language Resource Files checkbox selected, checked 0 bytes. Recycle Bin checkbox selected, checked 128 megabytes. Temporary Files checkbox selected, checked 3.55 megabytes. Thumbnails checkbox selected, checked 4.00 megabytes.
Alright, so we do have everything checked, and all we need to do is now click on the OK button.
OK button. Disk cleanup dialog. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Delete files button.
So it'll prompt you if you want to delete the files. So we'll just go ahead and say delete files. The other option is cancel. So we'll go ahead and say delete.
Disk cleanup dialog. Cleaning up drive Windows, C, direct. Program Manager, desktop list, games and tools.
Okay, now that it finished, we have freed up a bit more storage space. So with that, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, put some other ideas down there in the comment section. But for now, bye.